Hi everyone, today we are going to make Jarvis media player in C# programming language. For this we need a color picker. Okay, you can download it from if you go to Bing search engine, just type just color picker and you will navigate to this page. Okay, and then you can select your operating system, 32 or 64-bit operating system. I have a 64-bit operating system, that's why I just download this one and this one. Okay, exe file. It's 2.0 Mbps. It's not a big file, but it's very reliable and very good color picker. And you can also search for icons. I have downloads. I downloaded some icons. You can download from different websites. Okay, just search in Bing engine free icons for applications, or for web, or for application. You can download for applications. Okay, now when you have the icons, I have over here in desktop, I have this image folder. As you can see, there is so many icons about media player. Okay, some of them are mine. I just created in Photoshop. Okay, some of them I downloaded from web. Okay, now first of all we are going to make a project. Okay, new project. I'm going to make a new project. Windows Form application C#. Click on templates over here, templates C#, select C# and then Windows Form application. I'm going to name it Jarvis media player, Jarvis media player. Okay, and then I have to select you have to select the project file location. I'm going to select project folder. Okay, Visual then in the documents, go to Visual Studio 2015 and then click on projects and then select the folder and select OK and click select save. Okay, now we have default location for our project and then click OK. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to debug it first. Okay, now we are debug is complete. Okay, now close this one. Okay, now we have to take this picture folder and we are going to in our project folder. Where is here is Jarvis media player and then media players. Now or here you can see the bin object and properties. Just right click and over here and then paste it. Now we have images folder and then refresh it, it will appear here. Okay, now how can I add this image to my project? Just simply select the folder and drag it, and in Visual Studio on your project folder in Solution Explorer, and then leave it or leave your mouse over here. Now you can see we have image folders. Okay, now right click on it and then add existing items. Now click on your image folder and then right click all files. Okay, now select all of them and add to your folder like this. Now you have all the images over here. Okay, now we have to after that we have to add reference. Okay, we are going to add reference. Now I will click on the Solution Explorer, reference, add reference. In assemblies, click on frameworks and then scroll down. And when you scroll down, then you have to add a system speech system.speech you need this library. Okay, I select it and then click OK. Now we have this library over here, system.speech here. Now after that we are going to resize the form. Okay, now what we have to do right now, we are going to change the title first. Text, we are going to change the text. I am going to call it Jarvis Media Player. Jarvis Media Player. Okay, then I am going to resize the layout. Okay, this is the size of the form. In properties, if you see size, this is the size of the form. I'm going to make it 800. Okay, by 640. You can resize as you want. Okay, now it's no, this is not the correct one. I'm going to make it 980, and I'm going to make it 740, something like this. Okay, I'm going to debug it to see how it will look like. I think this is not the perfect one. We have to do something like to change it. We have to make it 1024, and then the height will be 670. Okay, now click on your project, and now we are going to change the start position to center. Okay, then we are going to change the auto resize. No, auto resize is no, not auto resize. We are going to select the form border style. Okay, form border style, and then we are going to make it none. Okay, like this. We are going to change the color, background color. We don't need to change the background color now. We are going to add some buttons. Okay, some images. Okay, first of all we need a panel. Okay, we are going to click on panel and toolbar, and then we will drag it something like this. We are going to select this toolbar, and we are going to in properties. Okay, then we will come down dock, or here you can see dock, and now make it to left side. Okay, like this, make it to dock left, and then we are going to change the color. Okay, for this we need a color picker. Okay, for color picker I am going to see which color I have to make this. I am going to use this color. Select the color picker, and then select the code and copy, and then paste in over here in background color. Paste it here. Now you can see the color is changed, the panel color is changed, and then resize the panel as you like. Okay, I will resize something like this. Okay, now we are going to add another panel. Drag this panel over here. And then resize it. Okay, now we have this panel over here. Now change the color of panel. This is for just for now I just changed this color, okay, but we need another panel. Okay, now first of all we are going to resize this one, something like this. Okay, now after that we need a picture box. Drag the picture box something like this. Okay, now we are going to add over here something like a picture or something, picture. Now click on the picture and then go to background image in properties and click and import it. We are going to select our project folder, media player, and then images. Okay, and then we are going to add from here. I am going to add this picture, media player header 1, and then I will press OK. Now we have this image over here. We have this image. Okay, after that we are going to add some buttons. Let me tell you one thing. Instead of button we were going to use a picture box. Okay, picture box, here. You have to select your picture box and resize it. Now select it and then go to properties, and then you have to import. First of all I will import minimize button. Okay, and then I will select it. Now we are going to make a size of this picture, and then in properties we will make it zoom. Okay, something like this, and then we are going to change the image. You can also add the error image icon or error when there is error on loading image, then you can put something another image for that shows that there is error to load image. And then now we can size we can change the size from here. Okay, you can make it 30 by 30. I'm going to make it 30 by 30 pixel. Okay, something like this. Okay, now after that I'm going to copy this Control C, and I will paste it, Control V, we need 3 buttons, and Control V. Now okay, now select the first button and change the name to minimize button. Okay, I am going to make name it min btn. Okay, min btn, and then I'm going to select the other one. I'm going to select the name it, and I will make it max btn. This button is for maximize, and the third one close button, close btn. Okay, something like this. Now we have to change the images. Select the second one, minimize button, and then go to image resources, import. I'm going to maximize button. I will click on maximize button, and then I will click OK. Okay, then I will select the third one, which is close button. I'm going to import this close button like this, and then click OK. Now we have these colorful buttons. Now you can see one is for minimize, the other one is for close, close and maximize. Okay, 3 button we have. Now we have image also on our project. Now let me debug it first to see how it looks like. I don't know why it's not working. What's wrong with this? Rebuild solution, and then click start debugging. Yes, now it's working. As you can see, we have these 3 buttons, and also there's image. Okay, and then now I'm going to stop debugging. Okay, now after that you can align this buttons. Okay, and then after that we are going to add a new buttons. Okay, I'm going to add this button. I'm going to resize it something like this. Okay, and we have to resize it I will make it 180. Okay, by 40, something like this. Okay, the width is 180 and the height is 40. Okay, then I will add something image to my button. Okay, for this I have to make first of all a label. Okay, in the label I am going to name the label. Now I will change the name, text of the label. I will call it menu, for example, menu. Okay, I will call it menu, and then I'm going to select the Microsoft fonts. I will select this one, and I will make it 12, and then I'm going to change the color. Okay, from here, background color, I'm going to make it white color. No, not background color, sorry. Background color has to be transparent, and then font color, 4 color, you have to change the 4 color into white, something like this. Okay, now place it over here at top of your buttons. Then select your button. Now select the button, and then we are going to add an image, background image. Okay, we are going to select on the background image. Then we are going to select some images. First of all, I will add open folder icon. I will select it. Now we have now the open folder. Then I will change the text in properties, and I will browse. I will name it browse. Okay, then I will change the font size. Font size the same one that we have for, I will select this one. Okay, and then I will make it, no, let me select another text. Okay, select this one and then make it 14, something like this. No, this 14 is very large. I am going to select 12, something like this. Okay, now we are going to change the flat size to flat style to flat. Okay, we are going to change the flat style to flat, and then we are going to image alignment, or here image alignment, set it to middle left. Okay, something like this. Okay, yes, sorry about that. We are not going to make it a background image. We are going to select it, and then we are going to select the image. Instead of the background image, we are going to select image. Okay, I have over here open folder and something like this. Okay, now as you can see, when I selected the image left side, image middle left, you can see my image is in the left side of my button. Okay, now I'm going to change the font for color of text button. For color of button, I will select something like around something like this. Okay, and then I will going to we have over here a border color for button. Well, how can we change the border color? In the flat experience, flat appearance. Okay, sorry about that. Flat appearance, you have border size, make it 0. Okay, border size, make it 0. Okay, and then we have mouse over. Okay, yeah, mouse over color. You can choose a color for mouse over. Okay, I will select this one. Okay, no, not this one. Let me select another one, a little bit dark color. Sorry about that. I have to select 4 color in this one, and then in flat appearance, I will select the color, this dark color. Okay, 646464. This is the color code. Okay, now let me check how it will look like. Let me debug it. Now you can see there is, when I move my mouse on a browse button, you can see it's changing the color. Okay, like this. Okay, now we have to make the size of the button little bit larger. I'm going to make the size little bit larger. select your button, or you can simply drag it as you like. I'm going to make it something like this. Now we have to copy this browse button. Control C, Control V, Control V, and then place it over here. And then we are going to add some new menu, new label. We are going to add a new label. Let me delete this label and I will copy this top level label. Control C, Control V. Now in this time we are going to name it, what should I give a name? I will name it in sub menu. I will name it sub menu, something like this, sub menu. Okay, and then I will copy the buttons again, and then I will Control C, Control C, Control V, Control V, like this. Okay, and then I will Control V. You can name it whatever you like, the label, submenu or whatever. Okay, I don't know what should I put over here now. That's why now select your buttons, change the icons. Okay, now this is the live TV. Or maybe I have to do it something like this, live TV, and then I will make the other one radio online, something like this, or just only radio. For example, radio. Then I will add another button, another title. Okay, now let me check my it's now almost half an hour. I will pause this video and I will make a second part. Okay, second part I will make second part.